Hello friends, welcome to chapter 3, section 3.2, working with Proteus 8 professional simulation software. Outcome of section 3.2 are learners will be able to select the desired component from Proteus 8 professional library, understand the process to simulate microcontroller based systems on Proteus 8 professional software. About Proteus 8 professional software. Proteus 8 Professional is the product of Lab Center Electronics. Proteus Design Suite makes easy to simulate microcontroller-based systems and PCB design. More information can be read on website www.labcenter.com. Working with Proteus Design Suite. Let us see the process to simulate the microcontroller-based system on Proteus. Double-click on the Proteus 8 Professional software icon. Click on the new project. Write the name of the project. Select the directory. Click on Browse. Earlier on desktop, My Programs folder is created. Click on Select folder. Click on Next. If you need schematic, check on Create a schematic from the selected template. Click on Next. If you want to develop microcontroller based project, then check this Create Firmware project. In this you will see the supported microcontrollers families. One can see 8051, 8086, Arduino, ARM7, AVR, Cortex, MSP, PEEK, Raspberry Pi. These families of microcontrollers are supported here. So suitable controllers can also be selected from this. Click on Next. Click on Finish. Here users are supposed to write a program. However, we will not write program here. In last section, already we have created hex file by using Keil software. So we will upload that hex file into this microcontroller. So in schematic, automatically selected microcontroller will appear here. Zoom in this. In section 3.1, we have created hex file for blinking the LEDs. The LED is connected to port 1 pin 0. Click on component mode. Go to the part list. Here library having different parts will appear. A product to be selected, its name can be written here. For example, we want to blink the LED. So varieties of light emitting diodes will appear here. From that, select the desired LED. Let us select animated LED model of red color. Click on OK. In section 3.1, we have written one program to blink the LED, and the LED is connected to pin 1.0. So connect it to pin 1.0. Go to the part list, select one register, A list of registers will appear here. Click on registers. Select 0.6 watt metal film register. Time being, let us select this register. Click on OK. Let us rotate this register clockwise. Connect this register here. You can modify the value of this register by clicking here. Click on OK. Connect this register to LED. Click on terminals mode. Select power. So this will act like a supply. Connect it to the register. Save this file. Now click on selection mode. Now to upload the hex file, double click on the microcontroller. Select the hex file. Double click on the hex file. Click on OK. And click on the run button to start the simulation. One can see that LED is blinking. So this is the procedure to work out with Proteus design suite. Now let us stop simulation. The merits of Proteus design suite are rapid testing or verification of the program is possible before implementing the real hardware. During runtime simulation, the minimum circuit configuration of microcontroller is not required. Library with large number of components is supported. Support is provided to microcontroller families like 8051, 8086, PIC, AVR, ARM7, Arduino, Cortex, MSP430, Raspberry Pi, etc. Learners are requested to refer website www.labcenter.com to see the supported families and microcontrollers therein. It also provides PCB design tool.